Here's how you can make AI TikToks in 10 minutes with just using your phone. If you just have a phone and you want to create viral going AI TikToks, this is how you can do it. First of all, go onto your browser. You can use any browser that you're using and search for Creatify AI Shorts Maker. Click on the first link and you'll be directed to the main Creatify website. Click on Generate YouTube Shorts for free. Now you're on the page where you'll just need to add in a script in order to create viral going AI TikToks. You can also use their own AI writer for it, or you can just try some samples if you want to. You can select the aspect ratio. You can select any sort of aspect ratio, depends on where you want to upload your video. For example, in this case, we're going to select 9:16 because we are making TikToks. Next thing you'll need to do is get a script. If you already have a script, just paste it. If you want to know where you can create scripts, you can use ChatGPT for it and just prompt it to create some TikTok scripts that can go viral. And you can just copy paste them here in order to generate TikToks for you. Once you have your script ready, you can select the style that you want. For example, you can select 4K realistic, cinematic, line art, etc. Select the style that works the best for you. Once you select everything, to render the video, you'll need to log in with an account. Just click on login from the top right corner. You can continue with your Google account or just log in with your email and a password. Once you do that, click on render and you'll be able to create AI TikToks using this. That is how easily you can create however many TikToks or YouTube shorts or even YouTube videos as you want. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.